I get a lot of business owners, a lot of CFOs, a lot of VP types that just want to hone the skills or bring it into as a training function for their firm. And then I also have a lot of analysts that are looking to either uh, perfect their skills in FP&A or maybe move from like a banking role into private equity.
What would you say is the top person, that you are looking to help when it comes to your coaching? Because it looks like you have a financial modeling education, learn to build the exact financial models used with FP&A. Explain what that is, and private equity teams around the world. Walk us through, your unique, area that you serve.
So FP&A is short for financial planning and analysis. It's a relatively newish term. I'd say it wasn't used a ton about 10 years ago when I first got into it. And financial or FP&A and private equity, they really go hand in hand, because if you're going to be acquiring a company, then you need to make the financial projections for that company to figure out if it's going to be a return on the investment. And the investment is typically some blend of debt capital and equity capital. So they go hand in hand. And when I first started doing the coaching and the coursework, I thought that my ideal audience was a younger professional, maybe an analyst or an associate that was going to learn how to crunch these models and get into private equity. And I've learned from doing it a couple of years now that it's really everybody. I get a lot of business owners, a lot of CFOs, a lot of VP types that just want to hone the skills or bring it into as a training function for their firm. And then I also have a lot of analysts that are looking to either uh, perfect their skills in FP&A or maybe move from like a banking role into private equity. So it's really a pretty wide range of folks in finance. And I guess if I had to pick one, it would probably be that kind of junior to mid-level finance professional that really wants to hone the skills and move over to what's called the buy side, which is potentially buying companies in the form of private equity.